Welcome to Math Legends. 5 seconds before the tutorials begin. 3, 2, 1.
Good day everyone, I am Andre P. De Latina, a BSED Math student. So now, let us learn how to solve the operation of function in addition. Everyone, please read or just listen. Operation of function. Let f and g be function. So their sum denoted by f plus g, or is the function defined by f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So I have here a function below, a f of x, g of x, h of x, I of x, g of x, k of x. So let us solve this first equation, the h plus g of x. So the factor of h is x squared minus 3, and the factor of g is x squared plus 5x plus 4. So our first step is to rewrite it down here. X squared minus 3 is the function of h, and plus x squared plus 5x plus 4 is the function of g. So what we are going to do is to combine it like terms and add it. Since the x squared is same as in the left side, which is the x squared, we just add it, and x squared plus x squared is equal to 2x squared. Okay, very good. Then we just copy the positive 5x, and negative 3 plus positive 4 is equal to 1. Very good. Here. So that is the function of h plus g of x. Okay, let us proceed. So I have here a second example, which is the I plus g of x. So the factor of I is 2x squared plus 3x. And the factor of g is x squared plus 5x plus 4. So our first step is to rewrite it down, and this. So the factor of I is 2x squared plus 3x. Then the factor of g is x squared plus 5x plus 4. Our first step, guys, diba, is we just combine it like terms. Pag addition or subtraction, we just combine it like terms. So 2x squared plus x squared is equal to, very good, 3x squared. Then next is 3x plus 5x is equal to, very good, 8x, positive 8x. Then since the 4 is wala siya kauban, we just copy it down here. Am I right, guys? Okay, thank you. So let us proceed. Our third equation is h plus k of x. The factor of h is x squared minus 3, and the factor of k is x squared plus 2x minus 8. You can pause your video and solve it. After you done, you just continue this video, okay? Okay, now let's proceed. Our first step is to write it down, right? So this is the factor of h is x squared minus 3 plus the factor of k is x squared plus 2x minus 8. Then we just combine it like terms. X squared plus x squared is equal to, very good, 2x squared. Then copy the 2x, pass it to x, and negative 3 plus negative 8 is equal to, okay, very good, negative 11. Here. Please like the video if you are correct of this function. Thank you.